Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Ew. So my last hair video that I did, I used the Purple Conditioning Color by Umberto Gianni, sold at Target. And you know, it's not terrible or anything, but I did envision myself going pink for April, and I was kind of wishing this color was more pink. It looked more pink on the tube than it came out. But so anyway, I had the idea to add some pink on top of my purple. Of course, a lot of parts of my hair are like, you know, the blonde is showing through and it's not like I'm full on solid purple or anything. So I decided that I could add some pink on top of it and see what we come out with. I was gonna go with Wella paint colors, but upon kind of doing some research and watching some people's videos, I seen that the paint tubes only come with 1 ounce of product. So I went to the go-to LimeCrime unicorn hair. This is my delivery from Sally's, super convenient. So here's the LimeCrime unicorn hair I got. Now these are about $16, but there is 6.76, almost 7 ounces of product in one of these. So compared to 1 ounce of Wella for $10, and this is, you know, a quality product in my opinion for depository colors. Okay, so look at the shade I got is called Sour Candy. So online it looked more pink. Like it looked pinkier. Now it looks kind of purplish pink. However, that is a really pretty color. Either way we're gonna do this, but I thought online it kind of looked like more of like a bubblegum pink because I ordered Sally's Beauty delivery, but it's here now and we're gonna do this. So maybe we will get a really beautiful multicolor result. Okay, this is like so confusing because now that I'm taking it out, look, it looks more neon pink. I don't know. This is like what it looked like online. What this is though, this just looks so mauvey or like fuchsia-y. Fuchsia-y. Wow, so this actually says leave full coverage shades in for 30 minutes. And for more intense, longer lasting results, leave it in for 1 to 2 hours. I can't see myself doing it more than an hour, but we'll see where this takes us. Pull up on the ops. Do we have a problem? Now that's the type of pink I wanted to see. And as always, I always say this when I'm using Unicorn Hair by LimeCrime, it smells so nice. Like, it reminds me of like a body, like a perfume I've had. Like, Fancy by Jessica Simpson, maybe. Love Fancy, I mean. So real quick guys, let me give you the tea. So as my roots are growing in, I've come to the realization, or I feel like I already knew, but that my natural hair color is really pretty. It's like a dark chocolatey brown, kind of like my eyebrows. And I feel like letting it grow out. So I don't think I'm gonna be like bleaching those roots anytime soon. How it's going over the purple is almost like very transparent. But wow, that's looking really friggin' pretty. Do we have a problem?
They saw that.
I'll edit it out.
How? Don't do it.
You want a little pink?
Oh gosh, no.
Alright guys, I think I did okay. Still a decent amount of product left. That's one thing I really like about these is how much they come with. So you could definitely do a full head of hair with one product. I'm gonna put my little hair cap on just so I don't get pink on anything, and I will update you guys on how long it stays in for. Alright, it's been 1 hour. What the fuck? We're still going. 2 hours. Alright guys, so we're still like a little bit damp in some places, but I think for the most part we're dry and you can see the final result. So keep in mind I kept this on for 2 hours. Okay, so it's pretty much like what I thought. It's kind of like a pinky mauve blended in with the purple, and I do like it. Yeah, it looks better than like when the blonde was just showing through the purple. I'd rather have a mix of purple and pink. Let's see. Yeah. So obviously I mixed this in with my already purple hair, and this is not what it will look like if you just put it on plain platinum hair or plain blonde hair. But I was doing a little, like experiment today, because you know me, like I love to play around. Yeah, this is the result today. Let me know what you guys think. It's very much like pinky mauve, but like some spots it looks really pretty. So it is what it is, and we'll see how long it stays in. But yeah, that's it for today. If you guys want to see makeup tutorial, I did do a tutorial. That's my last video. I'll link that below as well. Subscribe while you're here. Leave me a suggestion for a color or a product, whatever. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.